So the long form version of this video got me monetized, but about a week after I got monetized, I noticed a red dollar sign. Video can't be monetized due to copyright claim. The editing app I used put a claim on it after they said that, you know, it's like free music to use for YouTube. Anyway, a few weeks ago I see a video and it says you can remove the music and get your video monetized again. So I saw that on vidIQ. So I went and did what they said, and now I got my video monetized again, and I got rid of the song that no one liked to begin with.